With any new product or technology, I think the first step in the road is understanding what you want to get out of it, defining your goals. So at Paycor, that was really a collaborative effort, working with our CHRO, understanding, yeah, we know we want communication to be better, we know we want it to feel more personal, but what does that actually look and feel like, and what are the steps that we need to take to get there? And then the first step was to really get the Blast tool in place. So the Blast tool is just the tool that you will use to send your everyday emails, your newsletters, anything like that. And then we worked on implementing our personalization process, and that's where what we call My Paycor News really came in, where we were able to integrate our intranet so that all of the stories that we tag on our intranet can automatically be sent into someone's newsletter each week through broadcast, which takes a ton of manual effort off of our team, and it also makes our intranet a lot stronger. Yeah, I think implementing a new product is always a hurdle to cross with IT, but what I can say is that the Cerkl team was there every single step of the way. When we had questions, they were answered. But what you really need in that area is a partner that's going to be alongside for the journey with you, and we certainly found that with the Cerkl team.